Yo, my man, this is the baddest producer. If no be speedy, then love that beat. Today I'm gonna cook this beat, alright? So we gotta walk through one or two things. Let's consider. Woo! Ideas, Khalifa, biggest producers, contribute. What should go inside this particular beat? Now it's melodies. Simple hi-hat, alright? You're gonna look at something. Go to the piano option and see what you will feel come out. I'm gonna play this bouncy triple vibe up. Oh my god, bro. So let's extend this right over here, bro. Then we're gonna highlight this one, change it to 1/3, then let's hit intro you. I want ra-ta-ta-ta-ta. Alright, that's super crazy. Alright, then we're gonna highlight this one, change it to, let's change the snap to 1/6. Then hit Control U. Alright, so I'm cool with this. I'm gonna add a snare, alright? Alright, so we're cooking. subscribe. Let me know where you are watching me from. We cooking banger beat. the cake and the snails. You ready? Alright, so I feel like choosing this. Highlight this one. Then let's make this more interesting. Change this one. Oh my god. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Let me know where you are watching me from. Alright, so we're gonna make something more interesting here. Time to add the case. You know what it is. We're cooking, no darling. Okay, so we have added the hi-hats. Let's try and add something more interesting. Yeah, it's time for snares, alright? Subscribe, you gotta make this video together from beat making to mastering. Yeah. Okay, so it's time to add the drums. I mean, sorry, the cakes. You feel me? I need something that punch. Alright, so it's time we add the cake to our beat. Alright, so let's listen to everything. I'm gonna add the cake. I'm gonna use this particular cake over here. Alright, punchy as you can hear. If you don't know how to make your cake more tight, then I got a video for you. Watch the video that I'm gonna pop up on the screen. Alright, so let's go to the piano roll of shins. Once again, subscribe to the channel if you're new here. So the very first thing I'm gonna do is to play the first one. So let's listen to the beat now without a cake. So we got a melody, the chord, the other tones, the hi-hat, the snares. Alright, nothing crazy. So we're gonna add a cake in today's. We're gonna add a case right now, and I feel like everything is neat. So let me start adding my cake. beat got hit. I'm screaming, this crazy. Subscribe. So let me know what I need to add to this. If you're not gonna tell me, I keep on adding what I want. Let me know. I feel like adding 808 or bass, alright, to make the beat more, interesting. 808, we need 808 for hip hop. I want to add 808, simple 808 to it. Yes, and I'm going to use my flares. Flares get a lot of tones, yeah. Flares. You feel me? Yeah. Alright, so let's. Okay, so now it's time to add the 808, and we're going to use this tone. Okay, so now let's listen to this. Nice. I feel like adding another 808 that got a long sustain. Right, so we're gonna combine this with this one also from flares. I'm using flares for this particular beat. Alright, so now let's listen to that. Okay, so guys, let me know your comments. What do you think about this beat? Alright, I just woke up and started cooking this beat. Alright, so feel free to leave a comment. Let me know where you are watching me from. Don't forget to give this video a like. You know that